my goodness, yeah. Feeling ko ako palang isa. So embarrassing, but I'm punctual AF. So I'm gonna go in and just absorb the environment because it's so amazing. It's me! It's me! So I just arrived here in the L'Oreal office at the Robinsons Equitable Tower, and I'm gonna meet my fellow top 30 friends, or my top 30 family rather, and then hopefully I'm not the only one here. And I'm super excited because it's the finale. It's the finals! Ako nga pa lang yung una nandito. I'm super early. Akala ko late na ako. So, ayoko malate kasi nag-threaten yung looks ng last na if malalate daw, disqualify. So, yun, naging early na ako. But it's good naman na early kasi nakita ko na yung place, tapos makapag-vlog ako ng maayos. Pero hindi nga na ako fashionably date. Pero sige lang. So, because I can vlog naman for you guys. Pretty. My other friends are outside, so I'm gonna meet them. Oh, do I love it! I love your makeup looks. Hi! Say hi to the vlog. Hi! You look so gorgeous. I love it. Kayo din, of course. Hi, Kit! Nice to meet you. Oh my God! Hi! Hey guys, what's up? What's up? My friends are here. Bacolod people, rockin' Nicks, yes. Bacolod friends are gonna meet my Manila friends. Yes. I'm gonna introduce them to my makeup friends. Yes, hi. My friends are now friends with my makeup friends. Yay! Look at these! There are free, I think, makeup products here. This is like the best. The Total Control Drop. Okay, Emerald Bosses, everybody! Woo! My other friends are here! Woo! Say hi to the vlog! I'm the we're here! Finally better na! Wait! Ate Cash ba? Ako yung mas excited! Oh my God! This Kuya! Yes! What's up, guys? Party! Finally here! Trisha! Nandito na si Trisha and her baby girl! Cutie, hello! Wait, Manam siya! Hello! And she doesn't want me to call her Manam. She looks like Rihanna. I do! Ayan. Tapos papunta kami ngayon ng event place. Yeah. Bye! I'm with my fellow top 3 or top 6 friends. Trisha and Marlene. We're waiting for the program to start. It's not starting yet. So good luck to us.
You know what, before anything else, I would just like to say that I am so loving the Rock Royalty looks on you guys. Awards Philippines 2000.
I'm so happy to see every one of you here today, especially the top 30. I know this night is about the top 6, but before that, I want to really commend the top 30. I know how sad it can be to not be able to make it to the next round, but I've seen that from your posts since we're friends on Facebook. You keep supporting each other, competition brought everyone together, and to start this community of people who can tell stories about makeup and not just use makeup to create a pretty face. And I think that really the top 6 videos really represented, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it today.
Yes, until I forced myself not to eat at all.
And that's why I decided that I am the queen of my own self.
Yes, girl!
Windows.
It's me!
Even stop motion
consists of individual frames weaved together to create one video. Tessellation can be witnessed through humans as well. Competition. A few may have criticized.
When you stay there for a while for a photo before you move. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, our rock royalty, Freya Ivanica Mocano!
At least 2 months ago.
Paano tayo mag-jump dito? Stop! Ba't ang landi mo, girl? Kailangan mamaya. Okay yan, girl. Sabi ni Ate Di, wag daw ako magharang kay ZJ. Ay, iba mag-project eh. We're leaving the event place. Bye, Nix! Bye-bye! We're going to Black Market! Woo! Bye! I'm with my baby girl, ZJ, my kulit baby girl. Are you ready? Ready for PM? Yes! Oh, yes! Oh my gosh, may pictures tayo. Yes, here's the winner, Marlene Ocampo in the house. Yan, finders keepers. Dito tayo. Hi, Pam! What's up? Hi, guys! We freaking lost her bag. Not really, we lost Maggie and the bag. It's okay. I mean, if it's safe, it's okay.